is going on, everyone? Today I am going to be putting the Sundown Audio SA 2.75 FR V2 speakers into my RAM. We're going to be swapping out the dash speakers. Be utilizing the Phonic RTA. What this will do is this is basically going to show me the difference that these speakers are going to make. The unfair part about replacing the factory speakers with the Sundown speakers is that the factory speakers have caps on them, and I am not going to install any kind of caps on the Sundown speakers. So these Sundowns will actually play down basically full range from about 60 Hertz up, where the factory ones have a cap on them that more than likely cuts them off at about 1,000 Hertz. Man, this truck is a mess. Let's clean this up quick. Track 1 is pink noise. Got the PAA3, battery low warning. Play the pink noise, it just kind of goes up and down, just like that. That's what we're reading. So that's what I'm going to use is volume 35. Door, this one in number 1. I'm going to recall it now for you. And this is what it looked like. I do have hybrid audio Unity store speakers, and they are 2 ohms, so that explains the extreme bump at the 100 to 200 hertz range. Let's go ahead and swap these speakers out. Going to use the Ultimate Pry tool from 12 Volt Tools. And there it is. There's your factory Chrysler speaker. 8 ohm, 15 watt powerhouse. This is the Chrysler factory speaker. And the Sundown 2.75 FR V2. The weight difference is astonishing in these. Alright, so we finally got the Sundown speakers in the dash. Now we're going to go ahead and use the Phonic again with the pink noise at volume 35 to see what it is. And we're going to store this in number 2. So there it is. It's basically you have a boost in range from the factory speakers, more than likely because we went from 8 ohm speakers to 4 ohm speakers. That's why it's so much louder. It looks like from frequencies 1,000 to 3,000, it got a pretty significant boost. And then from about, 3 to 4,000 and up, it stayed pretty close to the same. First reaction, that was the first song I played on them. Way louder than the factory speakers. Way louder. Listened to a couple of my favorite songs, and so far super happy. I'm only using these things on the aftermarket radio's power right now, but it was a world of difference. If you have one of these trucks, and I would even say probably any truck that these things fit in, I'm very confident that these drop directly into any GM that has those kind of speakers, the 2 3/4 to 3 inch speakers. Just buy these. They're $55 and they will transform your sound.